Him and John Reynolds Jr. have split in the last 4 races, each one of them winning a pair.
Max Kaler challenging driver X now for 3rd place. Kaler and driver X. Oh no! This is bad. Oh! Max Kaler was not clear of driver X and he cut him off. And that looks like to be the story of that one there.
Yeah, he got spun around, he hit that corner, he got flipped upright. It's not what you want to see out of the Belvedere North linebacker. So we'll get the Stanley Steamer late models underway. Max Kaler out of the car, so he's okay. Roughly right around lap 22, 21, 22 is where caution number 9 for this evening will come into effect.